Haino hai kirma shinsa kaisa lahar party mung krak sal sarigo BSF ni Khongsa Oneton Malkhung borok rukane Khongsa auto Malkhung no Thutaimani bai party mung thaino langma chokha bisini chiba umoni Khoroksa Sikla ni mung Kalu Das abo haikeno Thwimwrajak te Khoroktham Lukurok party mung ni yagulo puila borok no Bishalgor hospital abo ni yagulo rohorjak hapani sakam nogo party mung krak sal sarigo Bishalgor thana ni nuwapara amsayo
Shalse kebengya hasteo shalbrumno kaisaya kaisa thayo laharpati mungoklai mazrakari tongkosung Lukurok ni langma chomani krak sal sarigo haino hai Bishalgor thanani nuapara amchayo kirima singsa kaisa laharpati mungo langma chokha bisini chiba omorni Khoroksa Siklani bini mung Kalu Das obo hai kheno Thwimwrajak tei Khoroktham Lukurok pati mungniya gulo puila borok no Bishalgor hospital aboniya gulo rohorjak hapania sakam nogo pati mung krak sal sarigo Bishalgor thanani nuapara amchayo Thwikha semanjakha krak sal sarigo TR01E 3196 marini khungsa auto Malkhung Bishalgor ni simi bokshanogor thangmani lama nuapara amchayo buskang bukhakni phainai AS01LC 3849 marini BSF ni khungsa Oneton Malkhung auto Malkhung no Thutaimani bai pati mung thayono chokha bisini chiba omorni Khoroksa Siklani langma bini mung Kalu Das obo hai kheno Thwimwrajak tei Khoroktham Lukurok pati mung niya gulo puila borok no Bishalgor hospital abo niya gulo rohorjak hapania sakham nogo sago dukhu manai rok ongkha Priyanka Dev tei Rasel Mia phiaba koktuma suijakmani jora tei sokphaya kho tei Khoroksa sago dukhu manai ni sinimung
কতজন ইনজুর্ড হয়েছে
আমরা তো আনছি তিনজন ইনজুর্ড খুব সিরিয়াস তো খুব সম্ভবত ডেট আমরা বিশালগড় হসপিটালে পৌঁছাইছি
pati mungniya gulo auto Malkhung no Thutainai AS01LC 3849 marini BSF ni Oneton Malkhung no kasokha Bishalgor thanani police Bishalgor ni simi asis ni kokthum Chini Khorang
Malhar Events and Entertainment is presenting here, in association with Exclusive, all event requirements under one roof. This is for the first time in Agartala. We have several location partners with us. We are organizing wedding events. We are organizing decoration, catering, photography, videography, brass band, live music and all. We are also organizing birthday parties for theme decoration, catering, photography, videography and all. We are also arranging marriage anniversary party for decoration, catering, photography and videography. We are also managing corporate events. So for corporate conference, dinner, lunch, LED screen we are taking care of. We are also organizing live music, unplugged music, orchestra, ghazal nights and all. We are also arranging fashion show. We organize fashion show event for national level and state level. Malhar Musical Academy, we will have all the mentors for Malhar Academy. So we work as per the budget of the client and as per the satisfaction of the client. So book your events now on 9892348734 and 9862756997.